how to us to develop the village. So we must meeting with the leader of the village. We must meeting the next meeting, and we can teach children, and we can.
So you need to use different strategies,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
To get the people to realize that what you're offering is good.
Yeah.
Yeah. But what happens
Be patient.
sometimes, and be patient.
Yeah.
What happens sometimes is we get this knowledge and we get all this information in our head and all these good things, and we want to go and change our society and whatever. And we think that we're going to do it from one day to the other. You know, but like you said, it takes patience, and it also takes perseverance. You know, perseverance, persistence. Yeah. And you also need to involve the leaders and the people, you know, because they've been there for a long time. You know, they were the ones who set it all up. They are the ones who know what's going on. And now you come with all this new idea and you think that you're going to change them all of a sudden? No. You know, you need to respect them, because even though the way that they did it a long time ago, that was the way that they knew it.
Oh.
You know, so they've been there for a long time. They have done the best to their knowledge and to their possibility. They've been doing the best for their society, for their family, for the village, you know. So now you're coming and it's a threat to them. You know, you're telling them that they are no good, that they are old-fashioned, that they've been doing it wrong all these years. So of course they're going to be offended and hurt. And who do you think you are? You're going to come here, you know, we raise you up and we taught you and all this, and you think that you're better than you don't want to be. So you need to be wise. You need to be respectful also of them. If you expect the society and the leaders of society to respect you, you also need to be respectful to them. You know, and somehow show them that whatever they did for you to develop the way that you are is what you're trying to give back to society. Okay? It's not that they are no good or they are old-fashioned or whatever. You're just giving back what they gave you. You have to use your imagination and your patience to try, because one time I was kind of upset with my mother, because my mother is very old-fashioned. You know, whatever my mother says, go. You know, that's it. There's no buts about it. And I used to get upset and frustrated, because you would tell my mother something and she would not take it. She would not receive it. No. And my brother said to me, they call me Marisa because my middle name is Dulce Marisa. Marisa, don't try so hard. You're not going to